Tom Holland and Sinatra holds hand on casual coffee date after her 26th birthday photos. The cute Hollywood couple took their red-hot romance to the Big Apple, where they walked hand in hand after a coffee run. Zendaya and Tom Holland have been much more public with their romance recently, as they were spotted out on a casual date once again on Saturday, September 3. The Euphoria star and her Spider-Man No Way Home co-star both 26 had a blast celebrating her birthday recently and now look to be enjoying some downtime together as seen in photos here. Zendaya kept it casual in a tee and jeans with a scarf wrapped around her neck, while Tom followed suit with a t-shirt, jeans and a baseball cap. The pair grabbed some coffee and held hands as they stormed around the Big Apple streets. The fun outing comes only a few weeks after they were seen sitting around on scooter to take in the sight of the capital of country Zambia, radiating beauty per usual.